Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to set or change your profile picture on Duolingo. So let's get started. So if you want to set a new profile picture or if you want to change your profile picture, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. Now if you want to change it on your Duolingo, then simply open up your Duolingo application, and after opening up your Duolingo, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom of your screen. Just simply tap on that icon, and after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the gear icon, now if you want to change your avatar, so you can't add a photo from your gallery as a profile picture, but you can change your profile picture by tapping on change avatar. And after tapping on change avatar, now you can just simply go ahead and change your skin color, you can change your hairstyle, you can change your beard and clothes. So you can change your profile picture, that means you can change your avatar, but you can't add a profile picture from your gallery. So that's it guys, this is how to set or change your profile picture on Duolingo. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.